Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my kitchen. All right, today is going to be a very simplistic, easy, fast recipe. It's just homemade chicken salad. Very simple. I buy those pre-baked chickens from the grocery store, and I just wanted to do something fast and quick so that you guys can get an idea of how fast you could put something together. And I can eat it straight out of the bowl. Very good. But like today what I did was I used the Mission tortillas. They only have 3 carbs for the smaller ones and they taste just like a regular tortilla. They're excellent. And I put a little bit of tomato in there. It tasted so well. I've also used the parmcrisp. These have 0 carbs. They come in a multitude of flavors and they are, let me show you how big they are. They are huge. So I load up the chicken salad and make little chicken salad, parm crisps. And also lettuce wraps, put them in there, roll them up. So I love chicken salad. You could do this with the egg salad. The nice thing is if you want olives in or onions or peppers, whatever you want to put in your chicken salad, you can. Like I said, guys, I like my recipes to be versatile depending on what I have ingredient-wise in the house. So as far as an update, I lost another ½ inch, yay! It's funny, I don't measure myself every week or anything like that, but I just happened to measure my waist and it was another ½ inch, so I'm very excited because I started with a 33-inch waist, which is just horrible, and it is now a 28-inch waist, so I'm very, very excited about that. And I started the gym 10 days ago, and I've gone to the gym or worked out 9 of 10 days because I'm also doing on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I just started Taekwondo. What a workout that was yesterday, but it was a lot of fun. So guys, if you've been on the low carb for a while, start thinking about doing some cardio, some weight training. It doesn't have to be anything big. Guys, let's get to the recipe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, if you're subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you next week with another recipe. Bye, guys. All right, so today we are going to do a very simple recipe. It is chicken salad. The reason that I wanted to do that is I was talking to my husband about the other day, and I think that on one of my shopping trips I showed you all the white meat chicken salad, which is very, very good in carbs. There's only 2 carbs for ½ a cup. So it is a good snack that my husband does take to lunch with him. However, this is $7. That is ridiculous. $6.99 to be exact. So I told my husband, I ain't buying those anymore. That's one that I had bought on the weekend with him. So I said, I'm going to start making you chicken salad because then I can truly control every ingredient. So I thought that I would share that recipe with you guys. To save time, I did buy a pre-done chicken. Now this chicken was the same price as this. So I am gonna I use the breasts for the chicken salad, and you can see that I've just pulled it and shredded it. This is what it looks like here. So we need chicken. You can certainly grill your own breasts, bake your own breasts, and then shred it. The other ingredients that we'll need is 1 stalk of celery, finely chopped. I have 3 scallions that I finely chopped and 2 tablespoons of red onion that I finely chopped. And then we need mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, you know how I love my apple cider vinegar, a Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper. This is a very simple recipe. We're gonna go ahead and start with the mayonnaise. Beautiful thing about mayonnaise is there's no carbs in it, so however much you want to put in, if you want yours a little wetter or drier, add how much or how little you want. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more here. All right, much better, I think. Okay, so we have the mayonnaise. I'm going to add some of the Dijon mustard. Again, this is kind of how much do you like. I'm gonna put a big heaping tablespoon. I happen to like Dijon mustard. And then I use the Bragg's organic unfiltered apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put, I like it kind of vinegary, so I probably put a tablespoon. I would probably start out with half a tablespoon and then see how you like it. Give this a little stir. Now the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the celery that I chopped up, the green onion, and the red onion. You could certainly use white onion, yellow onion, whatever you have on hand. You could add red pepper to this, green pepper if you want it. Usually what I do is take a little whisk. We're gonna whisk it, and it's gonna be so nice. I'm gonna add lots and lots of pepper. Lessen the fat where I can in my recipes. So I will tell you, when I did this chicken, I took the skin off. So I just am using the meat. So now I'm gonna just pour all this lovely goodness in there. And then pour it all into the chicken. And then I'm just gonna give it a little stir here. So I'm gonna add, I can already tell I need some more fresh ground pepper. And then I'm gonna take a little tiny bite and check for seasoning. So good. That vinegar adds such a nice tang with the Dijon mustard. So much more than this little tiny container here. And I still have the chicken legs. My husband loves the chicken legs and thighs, so there we go. Chicken salad, simple, simple.